we walk a little bit, maybe 5 minutes, there will be a hospital chameleon that Ivy Thonglor condominium. I think it gives me a good idea, you see. Peaceful space to sit. Guys, the capital condominium, and now luxurious one, the monument, ultra luxurious. Here, the monument, and turn around a little bit. This is in dark gray, noble solo. You see, closer look. Yeah, I'm solo. Right in front of Noble Solo. Let's walk a little more. And this is a capital residence. Has a K-Bank branch. Hey everyone, chameleon. See the style. You see this condo is the height and the icon tree in the back. Icon tree, the height. My same old place, Ivy. So the height, the icon tree, and to go inside the alley. Noble aura. Let you see. Thonglor police station, right? Masjid, Park Origin Thonglor, and under construction. Noble from Thonglor. Noble from right inside is Thonglor Tower. This one Thonglor 18 alley, and opposite of Thonglor Tower is the copper. But I don't know what the name of that building. So this one, iconic one, 3 tower. Park Origin Thonglor, but actually it's located in Thonglor 10. I would say it's connected to Ekamai. What alley? Okay, Hampton Thonglor 10. Thonglor 10 is connected to Ekamai Soi 5. Here, McDonald's, J Avenue. Khun Bayou, and then opposite of it is Taylor Thonglor. Taylor. You see Grand Center Point. See Khun Bayou. Not very tall actually. Over there, the background is Park Origin Thonglor. Oh, and then you see Taylor. And here, Center Point Service Apartment. And here, this one, 8 Thonglor. Let's see, 8 Thonglor. This bar, True Coffee Restaurant, and next to it, it's Thai Panit. No, I said it wrong. It's Bangkok Bank brand. So HQ Thonglor, this one. How about this? Tea place, what this? Marche. What this? You know. You tell me please if you know. Marche. How about this? Okay, the opposite side, Somerset Hotel. Well, Marche. 5 Staybridge. Marche. กรุงศรีแบงก์ What is tower? Has a TTB also and Burger King and Marche. So this 55th Thonglor, right? Round shape building and La Vique 57 and next to it I don't know. And how about this? I don't know. God, I saw it. Vasu building. Established. Luxurious one. Okay, the Vasu residence. So it is residence. I don't think it's condominium, but I think it's apartment or service one. The Bangkok live the unique by land and house. But this, what about this building? What's behind 55th Tower? Okay, so I guess this one is Top View Tower. SCB branch. Hotel Nico. One. This one. My Chinese friend asked about this. The Lavi Gray. The Ascot. And what is this? See the city ad, Sukhumvit, and this one, T1 building, right? Okay, I found out this one, the Strand Thonglor. Okay, city ad, Sukhumvit, Condominium, and T1 building. Going to shopping for a face mask in here. So the entrance, the Strand Thonglor, and another side, Mawari mango sticky rice. And here we are, BTS Thonglor. I am at the beginning of Sukhumvit 55.